Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun Size Adventures. Today we are going to start setting up our 2020 obstacle course, and it begins with this. Well, hey there everybody, I'm Jeff Smith, your host, and today on Fun Size Adventures we are going to be building an obstacle course for the kids. We have a slack line, and then we have a ninja course monkey bar thing. I think the brand is Joymor. I've got both of these off Amazon.com over the past couple of years, and the kids have really enjoyed them. Today we're going to try to set them up one after the other to make one continuous course. So we're going to try to start off here with this tree, this is where we had the monkey bar contraption ninja course thing last year. Is strapped around this tree next to the tree fort so they could come out here, and we're going to go across to this tree here, and then we're going to try to go from this tree down here, attach the slack line to go across to that tree. But that's what our goal is going to be for today, because in a future video we have another plan to purchase the new addition for the course this year, which will get us from this tree down over to that tree. But more on that later in a future video. Let's get the stuff for the monkey bars laid out and start getting it set up, and I'll explain to you the process, things I've learned from trying to do it. Alright, so in the package we got 2 of these green tree protectors, and these you wrap around the tree before you put the line around it to keep from digging into the bark. Basically a slack line, which is the line that goes across, and it has these little pockets in it, which is what these little hooks go through. This particular model comes with 3 of these knot monkey bars, which the kids don't really like. They're really hard to do. 3 of these normal type monkey bars, which you could connect together like this, or you could connect the 2 sides separately to have them go the other way. And then it has 3 of these rings, and then a rope ladder. We've got our line hooked up to both trees, and now one thing that I've learned from doing this last year is that it says to hang these on after, but I think it's best to take these and attach them onto here before you pull it tight, because once you get this tight, it's really hard. I had a really hard time getting these through this hole. But yeah, so put those hooks on there, but don't hook the entire things you're gonna hang from on there, because then it's too heavy and it's really hard to pull the whole thing tight. If you're connecting it to a tree where you wanna start the monkey bars right here, the end of this has probably like 10 feet that doesn't have these slits. We have to wrap the strap around the tree several times to get to the point where we can have our first rung here. And if it's just suspended between 2 trees without having to get to either tree, then that's fine. But in our instance, we had to wind it around several times to get that there. So now I'm gonna put my hooks in the slits, like I said, and get this thing tightened up. Now we're gonna get the end here. I'm gonna slip it through here and see if we can remember how to do this part. Alright, that was way too easy, so I probably did something wrong. But let's keep going and hope that we didn't. This contraption here needs some work, because I'm not sure how these ropes got loose. But these balls are hard for them to hang on to. So I took this stick and kind of made it into a long bar to shimmy across. So now the strap is about level going across, and Ethan has spinning problems. But yeah, the most difficult part is you're trying to stand on a step stool to pull this tight, and you're trying to pull it, but also trying to make some of these straps where it's like double thick go through the slit in that, and can be kind of trying, but still possible. This usually takes a couple tries, and I don't know about you, but anytime I'm doing something over my head like that, I just kind of get agitated. But Ethan is doing good. Oh, see, that ball one gives him trouble. Oh, he's bypassing it. All right, so I found this rock here in the woods we put there so that you can climb off the ladder, get onto the rock. And the next step is going to be the slack line, which goes that way. But I don't think we're going to have time to do it today because we're gearing up to have a fire pit and some hot dogs. But that'll be in a future video. So if you're interested in the slack line, check that out. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Get outside, build your own obstacle courses, and have fun-size adventures of your own, whether it's in your backyard or climbing a mountain or kayaking or anything. We've got a lot more fun coming up this summer. See ya.